a journey of strength and recovery. In the second phase, Ms. Paola Fernandez received her bio-cacao paste package and began crafting a variety of natural, nourishing products from it. Rosy traveled from The Hague to Florida to personally prepare Paola's second phase of recovery and to ensure everything progressed smoothly during this critical stage. Together, over several days, they embraced biosport through multiple sessions in open parks, blending gentle exercise and mindful movement to rejuvenate both body and spirit. They also spent many meaningful hours together in the kitchen, where healing and creativity came to life. Rosy prepared a variety of detox drinks and crafted customized facial care products, using not only bio-cacao paste, but also a rich blend of natural ingredients. These supported Paola's internal cleansing, boosted her vitality, and helped accelerate skin recovery while enhancing her natural radiance. Each recipe became more than just a remedy. It became a powerful symbol of resilience, self-care, and the deep bond that blossomed throughout this healing journey. With each step, Paola embraced healing through nature, movement, and connection. Thank you for witnessing this chapter of Paola's journey. Stay tuned for the next phase, where recovery and renewal continue.